Good morning, everybody. Hi, this is NK and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great day. So today I'm taking you through a fun day in my life. Well, I think it's fun. Super fun. I am going to get my hair done today. So that's always super exciting for me. Go get my hair done every 2 months. I'm excited to go just get a fresh color and texture and cut and everything. My hair lady is in Berkeley. Her name's Brittany. Shout out to Brittany. She's incredible. She's been my hairstylist, I should say, for over 6 years. So I trust her with my life. I trust her with my hair, and literally no one else touches my hair except for her. And I will not let anyone else touch my hair except for her. So I'm excited to see her again. And obviously 6 years is a long time. So we've built a friendship as well. She invited me to her birthday like a few years ago, and we just sit and chat about life and everything that happens in the few months apart. And there's always great stories to share. So I'm excited to go spend time with her and get my hair done. For that, I have a doctor's appointment and I have to go to the bank. So just a few housekeeping items before we are off to Berkeley. The way I get to Berkeley is on BART. If you guys are not familiar, I do live in San Francisco, and the public transportation to get to the neighboring cities is BART. It's a metro system like other cities in the country, and it's, you know, does its job. The only thing is that it does take a while, so the entire trek on public transportation is about an hour, but it's okay. I will just be doing some work on my phone as I am commuting. Just contemplating that no matter what, I will always be late to every appointment. I'm trying my best. Time management's kind of hard. Things just come up and then I divert to it, and then I am running late instead of being early. But I'm gonna catch the bus right now to my doctor's appointment, then go to the bank, then go straight to my appointment in Berkeley. Okay guys, what a day it has been so far. Right now it is late afternoon in Berkeley. I just got done with my hair appointment and it looks really, really good. It's so sunny, so I can't really show it too well. I'll show it in the mirror when I'm home. So I'm waiting for Bart. I have to wait a little bit. 15 minutes, so I decided to hop on here and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, it does look a lot better. Like, the color is so pretty. She always does a great job. I'm, like I said, walking there now. Today has honestly been kind of a rough day. My doctor's appointment ran later than it should have, and I have to go get another, or I have to go back for a follow-up. So kind of, you know, I didn't really get done what I need to get done for that. And then thankfully I had an Uber credit that I didn't even know about. So instead of taking the bus and BART to Berkeley, which would have taken way longer, I got to just basically have a free Uber ride all the way here, which is amazing. So that made it a little better. But also, I think this is just a theme of the past few days, basically a week now. I just don't feel good, guys. I don't feel good. I just feel very off. I let my doctor know that. I just feel really tired, and I hope I'm okay. We did a preliminary checkup. Everything seems fine. just said I need a rest, which literally is always the case. I always need a rest. I always need to chill out, and I will, I promise. It's hard. It's hard. I feel like I have so much to do and I want to get everything done, but God, it's so hard. I have to wait like 10 more minutes for the BART, so I thought I'd just film in passing in transit. It looks so good. I'm so pleased with this. It's not cold. The warmth feels great. Hopefully it's the sunny San Francisco. Like I said, I'm in Berkeley. Berkeley is usually just hotter than SF. I'm filming on my phone because I'm honestly just too lazy to take out my vlog camera. Guys, I do not stage these vlogs. You're seeing everything as it happens. I need a rest. I need to chill out, but I did need to get my hair done. So super happy I got to get my hair done. Now I'm gonna go home, relax, sleep early, take some medicine, and hopefully I feel better in the next day or two, because I want to have fun this weekend, but also health always first. I'm always health first. If I don't feel good by the weekend, I'm staying in, you know. So stay tuned to see how I feel. Hello everybody, I'm back. It actually is a few days after my hair appointment, and to be quite honest, if you're still watching at this point of the video, you heard in the last clip that I just really wasn't feeling good. So I decided to wait and film it a little later. And I decided to do that specifically because I wanted to make sure that I was okay and not just film something to film it and get it out. Back to what I have originally been saying all along is I think it's just more important for me to be honest and upfront about if I'm not feeling well, if I'm feeling great or whatever, just being super candid about it. So yes, the past few days have been really, really hard, to be quite honest. I feel like I got even more sick, which sucks. I feel so much better now, and I wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like, not in direct sunlight. My hairstylist, Brittany, like I said already, I've been working with her for 6 years now, and so she's really, really great at giving me the look that I want. So I asked for a darker color for the fall and winter time, so it was a lot lighter. If you guys have watched my previous videos, you know that like my hair was a lot lighter than this. So it is pretty dark, but she highlighted the front pieces, which I always love being highlighted, like a really subtle brown, but it's still noticeable. Like I didn't want it jet black. I wanted, and my hair is already black, but just to add some subtle color in the front to frame and then on the ends. So she honestly always does a great job. Like I said, I don't trust anyone else touching my hair except for her, and it looks really, really good. Really wavy right now. When she did it, she always like straightens it really, really well. And you saw that in the previous video. That was taken literally 20 minutes after I got my hair done. So it was really straight, and I've been, you know, sleeping on this. So it's obviously a lot more wavy, but I actually really like it. It's just like the natural waves of the hair. Film the end of the video because I literally just looked at the film and I was like, there's no ending to this. And so here you go. I decided to flip the camera so you can see it like without my hand in the way. But as you can see with like good lighting, you can really see the color gradient and it looks so good. Shout out to Brittany, who always does my hair. She's amazing. Love the length, love the color, lots of volume. Love my hair. It looks great, ready for the winter season. And with that, I just wanted to say thank you everybody for watching. and continuing to watch all my vlogs. I have a lot of fun making them. They are a process to edit, as you can imagine, and I'm trying to get one out every day. So definitely please subscribe, continue watching the videos and share them. That helps so much. Without further ado, I'm going to be signing off. I will talk to you guys in my next video.